Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to jumpstart the dead battery in our Scion TC. First I will separate our clamps, make sure they don't touch each other, and the first connection will be done to the red positive terminal. Remove the protective cover and connect red clamp. The black one I will just rest like this. And the next connection will be done to the positive terminal inside the vehicle with the healthy battery. It will be done right here. The next connection will be the negative terminal in the donor vehicle. In this case, you can either connect it right here, or in case of this vehicle, this is the point which you can use as well. Basically it's the same one, it's just easier to connect it right here, the negative. And the last negative point in the Scion needs to be connected away from the battery, so don't connect it here. Instead, we will connect it to this bolt near the strut, which is away from our battery. I will go over it again. First, the positive clamp gets connected to the positive terminal inside our Scion. Then you connect the positive red clamp to the positive terminal inside the donor vehicle. Then you connect the negative clamp to the negative terminal inside the donor vehicle again. And the last connection will be done to this bolt inside the Scion. This is the negative, dedicated negative point. Now we need to start the donor vehicle. Press the gas pedal slightly. Revolutions should be around 2000 RPM. Let the vehicle run for a few minutes in order to let the battery inside the Scion charge. Now we can start the Scion, and as you can see it starts right away, which is great. And now we can remove our cables. Now we can remove our cables in the reverse order of installation. So this one will be the first that we remove. Carefully rest it like this. Don't let it touch any other metallic objects. The next one will be the negative in the donor vehicle and the positive in the donor vehicle. And the last one is our positive in the Scion. That's it, our jumpstart is complete. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to put the cover back on.